All right, so question had a lot of data. So to just look at the data that you require, that is it. That was the only challenge with this question. You have to calculate the current ratio. You wanted the current ratio of 2. So current ratio of 2 means current asset upon current liability. This should be equal to 2. उसमें से on the first line the current liability were given to you. So current liability are 300. So basically divided by 300. So basically if the company wants a current ratio of 2, that means current asset should have been 600. But let's see what are the current assets. So current asset directly नहीं दिया था, but if you look at this point, working capital is what? Working capital is, yeah, anyone, yeah, come on. Aditya, anyone raise it, please. Tanvir, what is working capital? Quickly raise hand.
No,
Working capital is CA minus CL.
Good. So working capital is CA minus CL. So CA minus CL, that's working capital, and that's given to be 200. All right. So and on the first time given, current liability are 300. So which means that the current assets has to be 500. Okay. So current assets are 500. So right now the current assets 500, current liability 300. So the ratio is not 2. It's 500 upon 5 upon 3 is something 1.67. But company would want to have a ratio of 2. So what they can do it? Simple है. Either ये 500 को 600 कर दो. Either you make 500 as 600. That is, you increase this current assets by 100. So it becomes 600 upon 300. 2 would be achieved. So that was option A and option C. Increase the current asset by 100. Increase the current asset by 100. और सेकंड अगर ये नहीं कर सकते तो ये जो करंट लायबिलिटी है उसको 50 से कम कर दो. मेक इट 250. 500 upon 250 would be equal to 2. So either increase the current assets by 100. So that becomes 600 upon 300. That becomes 600 upon 300. That is 2. Or reduce the current liability by 50. So that becomes 500 upon 250. That is also 2. So ये क्वेश्चन दिखने में डिफिकल्ट था. अदरवाइज ये क्वेश्चन अगर आप थोड़ा सा सोचोगे, दिस क्वेश्चन वाज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. एनी डाउट्स विद दिस क्वेश्चन, गाइस? रेज हैंड. एनी डाउट्स विद दिस क्वेश्चन? Clear, right? If it is clear, raise hand now. If it is clear, raise hand. It was straightforward, easy question actually, but just डेटा काफी दिया था इसलिए इतना कंफ्यूजिंग था. ऑलराइट.